Alright, seems like it works. So I'm going to be explaining how Ethic DeFi money works and how the DApp works, how to deposit the tokens in the DAO and how to deposit the tokens in the LP and where to find the Ethic token. So let's start from the finding of the tokens. So this is the Uniswap link and this is the DexTools link. Let's copy the DexTools link. Copied, and let's see where it takes us. Alright. So here comes Ethic, and so this is where you can see the price, the buys and the sells, and you click trade on this and it takes you to the Uniswap link where you can buy or sell Ethic. Alright, once you have some Ethic in your wallet, for example, I have some Ethic in my, I just bought some small Ethic in my other wallet. So once it takes to this, the dashboard, you can choose whether you want to have it in the day form or the night form. Right, I prefer the night form because I think it looks more cool. Right, here comes this total supply, here is the timer for the next epoch, and here comes the price of Ethic. Now we connect our wallet, Metamask. So as we see, it's connected. Now I have a small amount of Ethic in this wallet, right? To show you guys how it works. Now what we have to do is that if we want to deposit our tokens in the DAO so that it expands. Now what this does, what it does is that every epoch means every 4 hours your tokens expand by this amount and it keeps compounding. Right, now let's try depositing. We get this. First we have to stage and we have to enable. Right, let's make that fast and confirm. Alright, it's working now. Just put this as max, all the tokens that you have and you want to deposit them, you click deposit. For staging them, now let's move this up as well. Now the transaction is confirming. This is how we deposit tokens in the DAO. And this is where your tokens keep expanding. It keeps giving you rewards and rewards. The rewards are higher now because it's just the start. Right, now we have to wait for the transaction to go through. Alright, looks like it went through. Okay, now that we have staged these tokens, we have to bond them. We put max, we bond the tokens. The gas is high. Now we wait for the transaction to complete, and once this transaction went through, there you go. Your tokens are now bonded. Now here you can see that your tokens bonded are 14 ETHC. Now every epoch that goes through, these tokens will keep increasing. That's how algorithmic coins work. According to this 4%, we have 6 epochs a day, so that's like 24% if we count this as it. But in reality, it's 2%, so it's like 12%. So this, if we had 14 tokens here, this will become 16 in a day. If we had 1400 tokens here, this would become like 1600 in a day. That's how it works, and that's how it goes through. Now, doing the same procedure, you have to do it same in this. But for using this, you have to deposit the LP tokens. Now, how you get those LP tokens? You get those LP tokens by depositing your ETHC matched with the same number of DAI. You match the amount and you deposit them in the Uniswap by adding liquidity. Once you add liquidity, you get LP tokens and you deposit them in this. Now it's up to you that if you want to deposit in this or this. Right. So here are all the details. These are the DAO staged, these are DAO bonded, and these are all the informations. These are the contract addresses. This is the Twitter. This is the Telegram. Right, and I guess that's about it, how it works. And now here is governance. Now basically what happens in governance is that a poll is proposed by the developer and the investors can vote here, and according to the vote, a decision is made. Here you can see that 90 epochs are done, and it wants to 91, so 91 is coming up, and that's the price. And yeah, that's about it. As you can see, once you've bonded your tokens, you staged your tokens, this will get locked. This will show as locked. I've not bonded here, so this shows unlocked. Now, this DAO, once you stage and bond, this gets locked for 4 days. Now it keeps getting expanded for however long that you want it to expand. For example, if I want this to remain here for 1 month, it will keep expanding for 1 month. Now when I decide to unbond, it will set up a withdrawal timer, which is of 7 days. Now once I go here, I click unbond, this will open after 4 days. Now once I click unbond, it will set up the withdrawal timer, which is 7 days. So after 7 days, you will be able to withdraw your tokens. This is made because we want the investors to keep their tokens bonded in. Otherwise, there would be a lot of dumping with plan. Now, the withdrawal timer is only in this field. In the liquidity field, there's only a 4-day lock time period. After that, you can unbond or do anything. There's no withdrawal time. And I think that's about it. Yeah. Let's go back to the website. So we are Ethic, the first money that is truly separate from fiat, which is the first one to have developers who are known in the field and who are like this guy here is been mentioned in Cointelegraph several times. If you wish, I can show you the proof. As we can see, the name is Douglas Horn. Let's type in Douglas Home. Right. As you can see, he has so many interviews with Cointelegraph. Douglas Home. Right. So this is actually the first algorithmic coin which is developed by real developers, known developers, who are very famous developers. And this is the guy who set up the website. And yep, that's about it. Thank you for watching. I hope you can understand what I've said and explained. Thank you.